What happened? What was the cause of that incident that just happened? You see, the incident, it just happened when a night guard was guarding 5 nights and then somehow was very injured. Like, how badly injured? Well, very badly. Because of that injuries was he was at home and he was chilling like on the bed, and somehow he got crushed by cars in a plane. Wait, what? What the? Why there was cars that crashed me in an airplane that somehow crashed down my house? Who did that to me? It was I, Ocelot, that actually sent you cars crashing in the airplane. What the freak? Did you just speak Spanish for a moment? Yes. Anyway, I did it. I did that because you were thinking that you're better than us by beating us. So that's why I sent you cars and an airplane to crash you. So I can get revenge this time. What? Revenge? No, please no. Please no. Too freaking late. Coffee. Why do I got to do this? Why? Why again? Why I need to do this again? I'm going to freaking suffer myself. Rain. Oh, the frick is cold at this time. Hi, it's me, Ocelot. I'm calling you this because you're going to spend 5 nights again. And this time, I don't think you're going to survive. I know I will get revenge, even with my friends, no matter what. Just die. Why? More 5? I get to spend 5 nights again. You gotta be kidding me. I guess I got no choice but to survive. Because I got them. Alright guys, it is the time to get revenge with him. This time we're gonna be better. And this time we're getting him. Because we're better than him. Because he keep winning and getting those points. It's what it matters. So, cat go. Okay. Footsteps sounds. I hear footsteps. I must check the cameras. Who it is. It's the cat with the photo. I can't believe he's back. All of them. Which I know that I have returned the pizza anyway, that's the point. But still, like, again, I got to do this again. Time to move. Footsteps. Wait. Wait. My office now. Yes. I'm in your office now, and I'm about to kill you. So better prepare yourself. Frick. Footsteps sound. I did not get him. Night 2. I'm trapped here because there's nowhere to exit no matter what I try. And even if I try, these guys are going to kill me no matter what. And I'm not risking it. Ring. Hey, it is me, Mr. Creeper. Wait, how am I alive now that I think about it? Even though they already killed me. That's what I'm questioning. What the frick? How you alive? I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I got revived somehow. Hey man, if you want to survive, I'll come in there and try to help you. How about that? Yes, please. Not in there. I will come as fast as I can, and then you are free. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna come today or tomorrow, but who knows? Why you cannot come in there today instead? I don't know. Maybe I'm just lazy. No, I am actually lazy. You know what? Tomorrow I'm gonna catch you. What? Too bad. Bye. You gotta be kidding me. I thought it would be over so really easily, but just Mr. Creepy, he's just lazy. Just what the frick? Okay, definitely don't mess this up. You cat, go again, and you pig, go as well. Don't fail me, please. Okay. Footsteps sounds, footsteps out. How the frick did she do? Footsteps sound noises. Oh, they're moving. Well, I should expect anyway. So, let's check out the cameras. It's that big movie now. Let's move now, pig.
Claro, gato. Hora de mufios.
Why are you speaking like that now? Footsteps sounds, footsteps sound. Oh, they're moving again. What is happening this time?
¿Que me miras, guardia? Déjame mirarme lo que ando haciendo.
Okay, he's coming there. It's about to come. It's almost about me in my office. But why the freak is he speaking like a text-to speech, but in Spanish? With pig. What just happened? Last time he has a voice, but now he's just a text-to-speech. Even though why is he Spanish? I don't get. Footsteps sounds, footsteps sounds. I'm at your door. Not again! Damn it. Footsteps sound. Okay, I think he's gone now.
Hola, guardia. Ahora es el tiempo que te mato a ti en este momento.
Who's that? I'm getting tired of this. What? Ring. Hey, it is me, Mr. Creeper, and I'm about to rescue now. Finally! I don't have to stay fine, guys. Finally. Thank you, Creeper. No problema. I will be there once I get in there. Wait, why are you speaking normal this time? What are you talking about? Bye-bye. What are you checking, Ocelot? I don't know, man. I got a feeling that someone will come in here. So, we're gonna prank him. Yeah, we're gonna prank him. So that's what we're going to do, cat. I see. I am here, and now I must rescue him. Oh freak, scary also stabbing noises. I heard stabbing noises. What is going on? Stabbing noises, stabbing noises, stabbing noises, stabbing noises, stabbing noises. What you looking at? He killed the creeper. Oh my god! Anyway, whoa, move now this time. Yeah, la 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 la, running noises. La 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 la. Okay, we're not doing this again, so. Ow. How in God's name did you just freaking explode yourself? How do you work? How in the frick did you just work? And how the frick did you not kill him easily by you explode? Go cat pig now. Well, you know what? No, never mind. I'm going. Loud footstep sounds. No. Is it? Is it? No. Oopsie daisy. Da 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 da. Oh my god, he looks scary still when he sings. Why is he turned off on the da 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 da. Okay, that's enough. Oh man, I was enjoying it. To be honest, good day. Loud jump scare. Okay, seriously, how in that? Ah. Ah. I'm sick of it. Come here. You come here. You as well. I'm sick of it. Goddamn games. God, you come. Let's go full on power. All of us. Let's go. No. We have come here to end you this time. No more jokes. So you're dead. Frick. Loud jump scare. Haha, funny prank. Lots of stabbing noises on Blue Sheep. Finally, after so long. Whip it hell, let's go. Before I'm gonna die, I have one last thing to do. What is it? Funny prank. What do you mean funny prank? You forgot about me.